2 slices of bread. Dave worked in a factory, and he always made sandwiches in the morning, took them to work and ate them at midday. Then he married, so he thought, now my wife's going to make my sandwiches. On the first day, she made him some, and when he got home in the evening, she said to him, "Were the sandwiches all right?" "Oh, yes," he answered, "but you only gave me 2 slices of bread." The next day she gave him 4 slices, but he said again, "4 slices aren't enough." The third day she gave him 8 slices, but those were not enough for him either. So on the fourth day she took a loaf of bread, cut it in half and put a big piece of meat in it. In the evening she said to him, "Was your lunch nice?" "Oh, yes," he answered. "But 2 slices of bread aren't enough."